Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking. In this video, we are going to examine file feature number 1, Share, for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on File and then click on Share, the following box appears. I can now share a Google Doc with anyone I would like. I can choose to share it with individual people or with groups simply by adding in their email address. I have the option to share the document to them so that they can be an editor, a commenter, or a viewer. A viewer will only be able to view the document. A commenter will be able to add comments to the document, and an editor has full control. I can also include a message to send to my individual and then click send in order to share the document. Another option with sharing is to get the link. Right now, the document is restricted so that only people who have been added can open it with this link. If I click change to anyone with the link, I can now make it that anyone with the link can be a viewer, a commenter, or an editor. If I click this down arrow, depending upon the institution you are using for Google Docs, you may have more options listed here to make links accessible to individuals within the institution, for example. Otherwise, these are the available options for sharing a Google Doc. When you're all done, you can click the blue Done button. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.